going over the Elephant Hill fire. It burned in 2017, 160,000 hectares in size. In 2020, we planted as much of the fire as we could at that year. We planted 35 million seedlings.
2020 gave us a challenge that we hadn't seen before. Normally that we would be welcoming up to 5,000 planters a year to help reforest areas across the province. The pandemic resulted in communities being very reticent to allow these planters to come into their communities. Without the tree planters, without the contract companies, without the camps, the planting season wouldn't have unfolded. So we really had to work in partnership with a number of other ministries to ensure that we could safeguard not only the tree planters, but the communities to which they were working.
So you can just line in along Sarah and then go up along the tree line. And then
we had to make sure that the thousands of workers we were going to mobilize had the best chance of showing up not sick in the first place. We also had to undertake to ensure that when they did arrive at work, that we're able to screen them. And this is before rapid antigen testing was widely available. So we had to isolate from the communities. We had to socially distance within the camp. We had to adopt all kinds of hygienic measures, moving in washing facilities in the camps. That was a success because by the end of 2020, we did not have a single case of positive test for COVID.
We spent a significant amount of time in the initial weeks of the pandemic engaging with all the various stakeholders, and that included FLNRO, the ministry, the chief forester, as well as the deputy chief forester, the Western Forestry Association, and also some of the medical service providers who work with the industry to ensure occupational health and safety on the ground. I think those people who live in communities and are residents of BC where tree planting does occur will now feel very reassured that in fact there are some very good guidelines in place to support the health and well-being of workers who often are from away, who come in to work in their communities. It really has supported collaboration locally, and I think that will set the tone very well for the years to come.
There's a saying that says it takes a village. The 2020 planting season took many villages to be successful. Those partnerships will continue on, and we'll absolutely be using those partnerships to do other things in forestry, whether it's new legislation, future planting complications. We're going to be using those partnerships that we've developed in 2020 for decades to come.